Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a new course in the Duolingo app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the course, and here we have a plus icon. We can tap on this, and here we have a bunch of courses which we can start. We have music and math courses as well, and here we have, based on the language that you speak, some language courses, and yeah, you can tap on more. Of course, for English speakers, there's the most, but we also have for Arabic, for Chinese, Czech, Dutch, etc. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.